How to recover Venmo hacked account. To recover a hacked Venmo account, you should immediately secure your personal information and contact Venmo directly to freeze your account. Now, if you still have access to your registered email or phone number, you could visit the Venmo login page and select Forgot Password to regain the entry as well. You could then check your email password immediately as change your email and password immediately, as hacker often use email access to bypass Venmo's security as well. And if you're locked out, you must verify and you can identity with support. Like, you just want to make sure to go to your Venmo, tap the me from the bottom, then go to the settings and select get help and chat with us and ask for an agent as well. You could also use the official contact or contact them on the toll-free number. If you don't have a number, just want to go ahead and browse it. So open up your browser, type in Venmo contact. So this way you will be able to find the toll-free number. You could also email them, and you can just copy this out or just go ahead and select the call options, and that's going to help you out as well. So this way you should be able to recover your Venmo hacked account. With that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.